I'll get it for you.
Yeah, I want the McCrispy, a Deluxe McCrispy, and a small Diet Coke.
Alright, anything else for you, sir?
That's it.
Alright, you're supposed to the first one down.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing 2 sandwiches for you just because it's so hard for me to get out here at lunchtime like I do. So McDonald's has I think it's just a repurposed the McChicken. It's now called the McCrispy, and they also have the Deluxe McCrispy, and I'm doing them both. I skipped the fry just because I don't even think I'm going to be able to finish these. So tell you what, let's take a look here. It's been a while since I've had the old McChicken or whatever they called it, but it's just ain't nothing to it, guys. It's just a chicken, couple pickles, almost like they want to duplicate what's their name, the Chick-fil-A, but there's nothing on it. I thought there'd at least be some ranch, but I do like pickles, so let's give this a try, guys. Pretty tasty, I gotta say. I'm trying to think, is that just a fillet of chicken? Or is that processed? It at least looks like a regular chicken fillet or something. You know, I've had the old chicken, or McChickens, they call it before, and they were pretty good. It seemed like it had a ranch dressing or something on it, or maybe this is supposed to. I'm not real sure. But it's okay. I'm giving that an okay. Now the test. Now this is the sandwich I wanted to get. I did. This is the Deluxe. I'm going to see if I can dissect it here. As you can see, pretty good looking. It does have some sort of sauce on it. I'm going to assume that's ranch. Is there something on the bottom? Nothing on the bottom bun. Some little teeny tiny tomatoes. Some lettuce. Is that supposed to come with bacon? For some reason, I thought this was supposed to come with bacon. I'm gonna look at it. I think I got cheated out of bacon. And that's just wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm gonna look at it. If that's the case, I was thinking it's supposed to have bacon. I'm a little upset at the moment. Tell you what, these restaurants are so short-staffed right now that I can't believe they don't make more mistakes of what they do. So I'm going to try to be forgiving. Forgive them, Lord. Or maybe forgive me. I don't know. It ain't supposed to have bacon. All right, I'm going to give this a bite. That is better. That is better than the other one, for sure. I still think it's supposed to have bacon. I don't know. Yeah. That's a pretty good sandwich. I like that one better. Eat one with my mouth full. The Deluxe McCrispy. That's a pretty good sandwich. It really is. Put this down and finish out. I'll be right back. I'm gonna check on that. All right. I'm all right. Lord forgive me. I just looked it up, and that's mayonnaise. That's not ranch. I thought it would be ranch dressing, but that's mayonnaise. But no bacon. Okay. I don't feel cheated anymore. So, guys, thank you for joining me with this. I'm having fun doing these videos when I can. Probably going to do some more frozen food reviews real soon. Just because I can't eat out like this all the time, and I don't believe I'm going to finish this meal. So guys, tell you what, thank you as always for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review. Please like, hit that subscribe if you have not already, and please hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye. I'm certainly going to try to finish it.